In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Xero invoices in 2025. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring you have a smooth and efficient experience managing your invoices with Xero. First things first, head over to Xero.com and sign in with your credentials. It's essential that your account has invoice access permissions. This ensures that you have the necessary authority to view and manage invoices within the platform. If you don't have this access, be sure to contact your account administrator to get the appropriate permissions. Once you're all logged in and on the dashboard, navigate to the business section. From there, click on Invoices. This is where you'll find the various tabs that can help organize your invoices. You'll see options like Awaiting Payment, which displays invoices that have not yet been paid. The Pay tab shows invoices that have been fully settled. There's also a Draft tab for invoices that haven't been sent out yet. And finally, the All tab, which gives you a comprehensive view of every invoice in the system. To view or edit an invoice, simply click on the invoice number. This action opens up the invoice where you can dive into the finer details, such as the customer information, items listed, amounts due, applicable tax, and any notes attached. Here, you also have the option to edit the invoice details if needed. Additionally, you can approve or send the invoice directly from this screen, streamlining the process significantly. If you need to download or print a single invoice, open the invoice and look for the PDF/print button at the top. Clicking on it allows you to save the invoice as a PDF or print it directly, preserving it in your records or sending a physical copy to your customer if required. Now, for those who need to export multiple invoices at once, go to Business, then click on Invoices, followed by All Invoices. You can use the filters available to select invoices by date, status, or customer, and once you have your selection, click Export. Choose either CSV or Excel to download your bulk invoice data, a useful option for accounting, tax filing, or generating reports. Finally, sending invoices to customers is a breeze. Open up the relevant invoice and click on Email. Enter your recipient's email address and a message if you wish. Xero will take care of the rest by automatically attaching the PDF of the invoice and sending it off to your customer. With these steps, you are now well equipped to manage your invoices seamlessly in Xero. Empower your financial processes with ease and efficiency by following this straightforward guide.